This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Kretz. Favored Mariposa floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms and den. Great room design with soaring ceilings and lots of natural light. Spacious kitchen featuring breakfast bar, pantry, stainless steel appliances and natural gas cooking. Primary bedroom with new carpeting, walk-in closet, 2 linen closets, bath with double sinks. 2 additional bedrooms, both with large storage closets. Den with French doors. Spacious Lanai with electric hurricane. Shutters overlooks wooded area. Plantation shutters throughout. Lots of updating, light fixtures and fans, paint, new AC. With Hepa Filter in 2023. Backflow preventer valve replaced at street. New epoxy floor and paint in garage. This home is immaculately maintained. Gulf Harbour Yacht and Country Club is ideally located near great shopping and dining venues, medical facilities, beaches and airport. Private membership offers golf, tennis, fitness center and marina. Something for everyone. You deserve the best. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Kretz at 239-898-2472.